I'm just using my new Hario grinder, and I've just done it on the fine setting, and it's taken about, I'd say, 8 minutes of hand winding to get it to fine powder, so that's a long time. I guess if it'd probably be quicker on a coarser grind. I think there's about 6 settings, and you just change the screw or the wing nut thing there backwards or left or right. Right for fine, or right for fine, and left for coarser. Excuse my shaky hand. Haven't had the coffee yet. So that was the freshly ground beans, and took about 8 minutes to fill this jar. And this jar is full, is 2 cups. So 4 minutes a cup. So on the fine setting, that's not very fast, so you're going to have lots of time on your hands. But seemingly, oh, I did change the setting towards the end. Yeah, you can see I changed it, and this is the powder. I don't know whether you can see that. Yeah, that's the powder setting, so that would be potentially good for espresso. And the last little bit I changed, and I did notice there that it was coarser, but I changed it to see if it would do it any quicker. So I've still got some beans in here, because this was 2 of these from the fresh roasted. So this is a bit bigger than this measure in here, because I still have probably, oh, not much left in there. About half. No, it's not very many in there. I guess that's almost right. So that was a quick look at the Hario bean grinder. If I can get it back together, I'll show you it grinding. So I'll do it one-handed. Almost impossible to do it one-handed. Yeah, I need to do this on the, so this just winds. You can hear it grinding. It's a ceramic conical burr. You can see it starting to go into the bottom. I've got it more coarse at the minute to see if it's any quicker, but it's not easy doing this one-handed, so I think it would be quicker on the coarse setting, but on the fine setting it was 4 minutes a cup or more, slightly more maybe. Anyway, I'll make a cup of coffee and I'll get back. Thanks for watching. That was definitely quicker on the coarser setting. That last little bit of coffee, that only took about a minute. So I guess it depends how fast you wind, maybe. Although I think it grinds better when you do it a bit slower. So that's it, empty. I don't know whether you can see the burr in there. That works good, just a little slow. And there you can see coffee. Okay.